Hi there. In this quick video we will be taking a look at this because I need to polish the headlights on my wife's car. Yes, we will also check how it does the sanding, but I didn't have fine enough sanding paper for the headlights, so I will just be using this in conjunction with these things for polishing. As you can see, this is the diameter, 125 millimeters. This is the maximum RPM, and this is the thread for this thing if you want to put it directly on a polishing tool, or you can use this attachment for something like this. So, and it has hook and loop fasteners, as also do these things, and they are the same diameter. If you want to see a bit more info, for standard angle grinders it also works, but I'm not going to use it on that. So let's get to it. This is what we get inside. Camera, please focus. Basically a long nut in here, and this disc plastic, a little bit of camera focus please, a little bit of cushioning, and the hook and loop fasteners. So yeah, and I will be attaching this thing in here. It will tighten by itself because I'm running in this direction this thing. How is this called? I have such a blockage now. Drill, screwing machine, whatever you want. Okay, now let's stick on it. Should I try with this first? I'm going to try with this first and see what I get. If you want a bit more info. And in theory you just center this in here and put it on. Make sure you have it evenly distributed. I don't, so I need to readjust it with both hands, and that should be it. And it's on. Make sure you don't have any abrasive particles on it, because that would scratch whatever you are trying to polish. And yeah, put some polishing paste. I'm using something like this. Yes, it's not ideal for headlights, but I'm still trying to see what I will get. If I don't like it, I need to get something for headlights. Hopefully it will work. Not sure exactly how much to put, maybe I put too much, but hey, it is what it is. Let's start. And some instructions only in Romanian, so sorry about that. Mostly safety instruction, and they just tell you to do whatever the other attachment instructions or the paste tell you to do. Initial impression, this seems to be going quite well. I might need even more polishing paste, but I will continue and see what we get. Seems to be working, but I still can see some tiny scratches, so yeah, I need to do more polishing. As far as I know, it's not okay to have a too high RPM. You can destroy the plastic by heating it. This cannot. 550 rotations. Put paste, do not let it dry, so don't do this in the sun, and don't stay too much in one place, just move around all the time. Really hard to show with one hand, but yeah, something like this. I'm doing a quick alcohol clean just to see where I'm at, but it's much better already. Switching to this wool pad. Because of the shape of these headlights, the other one was just not properly conforming to the shape, and it was much harder to hit all, so this should do a better job. Hey, this works much better. Second headlight is almost finished. I just have to insist a little bit more on the edges. Up until now this works much better than expected, and it's holding really well. These pads, great. Got also another variant from Bosch. This doesn't use the Velcro. It has this that you simply tie down, and it will look like this. But yeah, I think it also works on a Velcro disc. I don't see why it wouldn't. So yeah, this is the packaging, and I'm going to be throwing it away, the packaging that is, obviously. So that's about it for this really nice tool. Works really well with these thingies, obviously, that are meant for it, and actually even works with the ones that are not really meant for it, because it has the same diameter and you can tighten them in place if you want them. So yeah, from my side, no complaints whatsoever. Simple and does the job, and I could properly use it for what I needed. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one.